Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best compact knife sharpener is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook or outdoor enthusiast, ensuring your blades remain razor-sharp for effortless slicing, dicing, and chopping, transforming mundane kitchen tasks into a smooth and efficient experience, and making sure your camping trips are safer and more enjoyable with reliable cutting power always at your fingertips. Number 5. Lantana Smart Sharp 3-Stage Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Lantana Smart Sharp, a professional 3-stage manual sharpener designed for your kitchen knives. It prepares, sharpens, and hones, ensuring brilliant results every time. This simple system quickly and effectively restores blunt knives to their former sharpness. Keep your kitchen knives brilliantly sharp with minimal effort. It features an ergonomic comfort handle for maximum grip, suitable for all users. The heavy-duty non-slip rubber base provides ultimate stability and safety on any flat surface. This sharpener is perfect for straight-edged steel kitchen knives and wide serrated knives, including premium blades. Please note, it is not suitable for ceramic knives or scissors. Using it is incredibly simple, with full instructions and a demonstration video provided. You'll also receive first-class customer support, 7 days a week. We understand sharpening can seem daunting. Our experienced team is always on hand to answer any questions you may have about our products. What we like. This sharpener offers a professional 3-stage system to prepare, sharpen, and hone your blades. Its heavy-duty, non-slip base ensures stability on any flat surface, making it safe and easy to use. If you're looking for a reliable and straightforward way to keep your straight-edged kitchen knives and even bread knives in top condition, this is a fantastic choice for everyday home cooks. What people say. Easy to use and does a fantastic job for a real sharp blade. Very sturdy and really sharpens knives well. Its blades sharp, but it seems like I have to resharpen fairly frequently. Number 4. Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener. Introducing the ultimate sharpening tool, designed for sportsmen. It's a compact and complete solution for keeping your blades sharp, whether you're in the field, at home, or in the shop. This versatile tool includes everything you need: diamond plates, ceramic rods, and a leather strap. The integrated sharpening guides ensure consistent results every time. Maintain a razor-sharp edge wherever your adventures take you. It's self-contained, durable, and requires no tools or assembly for quick setup and use. Experience precision sharpening with customizable angles and multiple abrasives. It's engineered and calibrated in Oregon to meet the highest standards. We stand behind the quality of our products. This sharpener comes with a comprehensive 3-year warranty, ensuring your satisfaction and reliable performance. What we like. This tool is designed for sportsmen and outdoor enthusiasts who need a complete sharpening solution on the go. It features removable diamond plates for quick field sharpening and a rotating ceramic rod with coarse and fine honing surfaces, plus a fish hook sharpener. If you're often out in the woods, camping, or hiking and need to maintain a sharp edge on your knives, this compact and durable option is perfect for you. What people say. The guided system makes it super easy to keep consistent angles, which is huge whether you're sharpening knives in the field or at home. It takes the skill barrier down and still gives you really sharp, clean edges. What I really like is how complete the setup is. You've got multiple grits, a strap, and everything you need all in one compact kit. Build quality is excellent. It feels durable and made to last, not something that's going to wear out after a few uses. Number 3. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. Achieve perfect sharpness with unparalleled ease and control. This tool makes manual sharpening faster, simpler, and more precise than ever before. Easily adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees in single-degree increments. Reprofile any blade or create a polished edge, even on serrated knives. Quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond, and fine ceramic stones. Customize your sharpening needs with the included tri-abrasive rod. The innovative V-block clamp securely holds your knife in place. This ensures consistent and safe sharpening every time you use it. Meticulously designed and quality checked in our Oregon facility. We stand behind the superior craftsmanship of our products. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive 3-year warranty. We are committed to providing you with reliable sharpening solutions. What we like. This sharpener focuses on precision with an angle-guided system that allows for easy adjustment from 15 to 30 degrees in 1-degree increments. It features a tri-abrasive rod with coarse and fine diamond, plus a fine ceramic stone, all secured by a V-block clamp for consistent results. If you value accuracy and want to reprofile blades or achieve a perfectly polished edge on all your pocket and kitchen knives, this is the tool for meticulous users. What people say. It's compact so it stores easy, quick to set up, and has smooth operation. Got all my knives nice and sharp fairly quick. The build quality seems quite good. The sharpener feels sturdy and solid. Number 2. Work Sharp 2 Malawian Kwacha's Knife and Tool Sharpener. Meet the improved MK.2, the ultimate sharpening system for all your knives and tools. It's designed to make sharpening faster, easier, and more precise than ever before. Its flexible belts conform to any blade, perfect for sharpening everything from outdoor tools and lawnmower blades to kitchen knives and scissors. Even serrated edges are no match for this versatile system. The 2-speed motor provides the control and power needed for demanding tasks like sharpening axes and garden tools. An integrated edge guide ensures perfect results every time, supporting the blade right to the tip. Proudly designed, engineered, and calibrated in Ashland, Oregon. We ensure the highest quality by meticulously checking each sharpener at our facility. We stand behind our products with confidence. This sharpener comes with a comprehensive 3-year warranty, reflecting our commitment to quality and durability. What we like. This is a professional electric sharpener designed for speed and versatility, capable of sharpening knives and tools. Its flexible belts conform to edges, making it suitable for everything from kitchen knives to lawnmower blades and axes. If you have a wide variety of tools and knives that need regular sharpening and appreciate the power and control of an electric system, especially for heavier tasks, this model is an excellent investment. What people say. The adjustable speed and angle guides make it easy to get professional results without guesswork. It's simple, consistent, and delivers razor-sharp edges fast. The MK2 does a great job at putting the blade exactly where it needs to be to get that perfect burr and then again to get that laser-sharp edge we usually only see on high-dollar knives or knives the first time we use them. Number 1. Orange Ninja 4-Stage Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Orange Ninja 4-Stage Knife Sharpener. It repairs, sharpens, and polishes your blades to perfection. Get ready for an effortless sharpening experience. Our innovative 4-slot system handles everything. Use the coarse slot for repairs, the medium for sharpening, the fine for polishing, and the dedicated slot for serrated blades. Achieve a razor-sharp edge with just a few simple strokes. It's designed for quick and easy use, restoring your knives in seconds. This kitchen gadget is ambidextrous, working perfectly for both right and left-handed users. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip. From chef knives to pocket knives, it sharpens them all. This versatile tool is perfect for any type of blade, old or new. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this sharpener is built with durable materials for long-lasting performance. It's a premium tool that stands the test of time. What we like. This sharpener offers a comprehensive 4-stage system that repairs, sharpens, and polishes blades, including a dedicated slot for serrated knives. Its ergonomic, non-slip grip ensures comfortable use for both right and left-handed individuals. If you're looking for a single, easy-to-use manual sharpener that can handle a wide array of knives in your kitchen, from chef's knives to serrated bread knives, this is a great all-in-one solution. What people say. This sharpener is compact and easy to store. It works well on various types of knives, including serrated ones. The non-slip base keeps the sharpener stable during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.